Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Yang. So this section will be focusing on AREC Studio Solution. So for our media station could not only use for recording, streaming for lecture capture, or for video conferencing, but also perfect suit for the small scale studio broadcasting setup. So before we jump into some detail of the solution, let's watch a short video of give you some detail or some information about AREC Studio Broadcasting Solution. So please watch the video first. In 2020, due to the impact of COVID-19 pandemic, large-scale restrictive action around the world had brought a considerable impact on the economy and industry. It also accelerated the global digital transformation. With the increasing demand for remote video communication, many enterprises want to know how to produce high-quality training video more efficient and how to make an online seminar look more professional. Today, we are going to introduce a new type of live streaming and recording studio. The core device of the system is what you see, AREC Live Streaming and Recording Station. AREC Studio Solution has desktop and workstation type. Just with one set, organizations are able to achieve three kinds of remote audiovisual communication easily. Connecting with laptop and video camera, user can mix and switch visual sources quickly. Coming with preset overlays, it becomes easy to take training video with professional quality. In addition, with recommended HDMI to USB dongle, AREC Studio Solution is able to work perfectly with popular web-based video conferencing systems, such as Cisco, Webex, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Skype, and more, to make online seminar more professional. AREC Studio Solution support dual streaming. Users are able to stream live events on Facebook, YouTube, or any third-party platform at the same time. Moreover, AREC Studio Solution is also able to support live broadcasting and video recording simultaneously. AREC Studio Solution can be combined with the existing equipment. Customer may also purchase large interactive whiteboard and high-quality camera to create an easy-to-use live streaming and recording studio for business or education. Reader Place is a cram school, which is famous for helping students to pass the national examination or obtain professional licenses. Other than in-class courses, Reader Place also provide online courses for remote students. In order to produce high-quality video more efficiently, Reader Place had adopted AREC new type of live streaming and recording studio in June 2020.
我在这个补教还有这个出版业已经很久的一个时间。那因为我一直觉得线上教育是一个未来发展的，尤其在这次疫情之后，那我一直在寻找一套呢可以很快速产出内容的一套系统。那我们以往都只有这个电视啊，再加上摄影机就这样直接拍。可是我们后置要花非常久的时间哦，那往往就是可能1个小时的影片，那我要花可能1天或2天，我才可以把这个影片建制成档案，把它产生出来。但是自从我发现了这套设备之后呢，我可以很快速的不停的录课。那录课完之后呢，在最短的时间之内，我就可以把这个档案放到我自己的平台上面，包括说是云端平台，或者是我们电子书平台，或者是这个 MOD 平台。那这一套系统，它可以让我很快速的节省非常多的时间，就产出我所要的内容。
In October 2020, Reader Place also built a second AREC live streaming and recording studio. We are excited to see how AREC live streaming and recording solution is able to assist more enterprises make digital transformation more easily. So after watching the video, you get a better idea of what AREC Studio Broadcasting Solution could help customer or people to do the broadcasting not only for video conferencing or recording purpose. So what do you need? What item do you need for setting up AREC Studio Broadcasting Solution? So of course, first item you will need is an AREC Media Station. Second, you will need a full HD camcorder, because rather than using traditional IP camera, full HD HDMI camcorder will give you a higher resolution, higher quality content when you do the broadcasting. And the third one will be touch smartboard. In this video we are using right now, we use 86-inch ViewSonic interactive display. But also you could just use traditional blackboard or whiteboard, you'll do just fine. And the final thing will be wireless microphone, like I'm wearing right now, in order to receive the audio to the audience at the remote site. So with all these things above prepared, we could start setting everything up. But before I go even further, let me share our other studio in our headquarters to you to give you better understanding of what the solution could help you. So as you can see on the picture right now, this is our other studio next room. So we have two studios set up in our headquarters here in Taipei. So in the other studio, we have two full HD HDMI camcorder, which is setting up in front of this display. And you can see here is the studio moving card. And so in this card, we have a media station, two speakers, and one interactive display to help director to switch between different layout, overlay, and thing really smoothly. As you can see on the bottom right, this picture right here. And here's a display to show the presenter or the speaker what's the progress of the recording or broadcasting to let him control the view or the time. And this is the same studio which I just on the previous slides. So this is really the broadcasting is happening. Our partner come to our office to rent a studio to broadcasting some information sharing on public. So now you get I think you get a full idea of what we are trying to do right here. So I bring a studio card to the studio today. So let me introduce you a little quick. So we actually provide two types of studio card. The other one, I'll introduce that later. So for this one, this is a smaller one. It's a little bit smaller, but it's just do the same thing. So for this card, we had a 10-inch touch display panel on the top. So on this display, you can also, the same thing, you can switch overlay, theme, background picture, and also see the preview content on the display right here. And second, we could put a laptop which will be connected through the HDMI to the media station with the computer run the PowerPoint or video sharing, all that kind of things. And also, behind the laptop, we got a 12 keypad with a USB port. So with this USB port, after the recording or broadcasting finish, you got a duplicate, you got a copy of it. And also the 12 keypad could control the recording, pause, stop, and switch between the layout and the themes. And if we go to the bottom, here is the media station, which will be sitting right here and connecting everything on above and also on below. Below will be two speakers. If you turn on the audio loop through, the speaker will have the audio, so you can know like if your audio being received or not. Okay, so this is our smaller portable studio card. So let me also introduce the studio we are using today. So as you can see on the front is we set up 86 ViewSonic touch display, and also the product we are going to showcase later. And if we move to the back of the studio, all the item on the front will be connected to the studio card right here. So this is the bigger studio card which we designed before. So in this card, we got a document camera for more detailed material showcase. Also, we have 10-inch touch display. The same thing, we can switch between different layout, overlay, freely, okay? And we could also start streaming, recording, or pause, stop on this touch interactive display. And also, here's the audio receiver to indicate if the audio being received or not. And 12 keypad, the same thing with the smaller card. And if we move to the bottom, here is the one AREC Media Station on below, and the other one is AREC DSX01 Internet Switcher. Because we have a multiple device in this room and at the other studio, so we also install one DSX01 to switch between different sources really freely. And also the audio mixer to help all the audio devices to work just fine. So this is the simple concept for AREC Broadcasting Studio Solution. It's really cost effective, and we could produce the same quality and same professional content the same as the professional studio, and it's really cost effective. So if you are interested in this type of solution, please feel free to contact us at AREC@sales.com. Thank you.